Do you love the puppy?
Yeah, and I love my Legos. And Sam Dog. I have one of these Legos. His name is Sam Dog.
Is your puppy eating your blueberries?
No, no. Hey. She's so good. The doggy said good.
The doggy said good.
Yeah.
Does the doggy like blueberries, Alice?
Yeah, he's eating them. Maybe he ate cheese. Has... Oh, that's so weak. Hey, I'll have one with me in it.
I don't know if I actually got that, but here's Big Brother Seth. He got his new belt in karate today. They're super ninja dude.
They got one with me in it?
Yeah.
Oh, dang. Hug, big hug.
Alice, do you want more? You guys are so sweet. Do you want more blueberries? Yes? Can you say more?
No, she said,
There's these.
please. I'm saying me too.
One more? How do you say more?
Oh, I will find a bigger one of all.
There you go.
Oh, the biggest one of